Hi, I'm Joe Rode from Lokar Performance Products, and we're here at SEMA 2019. And I'd like to talk to you about our new LS Classic series of LS vintage intake and crate motor kits. So what we offer here is intake systems and crate motors that emulate early GM mechanical fuel injection, but it's all with modern electronics. We use all Holley Dominator electronics to operate the system. The intake kits bolt right to your standard LS or cathedral port heads. We have all the accessories you see here to make this look like a vintage engine. Give your ride a real retro look. You can buy the systems in an intake kit, or you can buy the system with any of the components optional. We have serpentine pulley kits. We have vintage valley pans that offer a vintage looking breather oil fill. We have a vintage looking distributor. It's actually a coil relocation kit and a pass-through for the spark plug wires. Everything operates off a standard GM throttle body. Standard GM throttle body. So again, it's late model technology with a vintage look. We make cast aluminum valve covers that bolt right to the LS in a small block Chevy, a big block Chevy, and a 409 version. So the engines look virtually like those engines, but with the LS platform. The LS Classic series of vintage intake and crate engine systems. So we have 4 versions. We have a kit that replicates the 57 Chevy mechanical fuel injection, 61 and 63 Corvette fuel injection. We also have a single throttle body system, a 14-inch Classic, and then also a tri-power system, which uses dual GM throttle bodies to look like a tri-power, original Corvette tri-power system. You can find complete information and pricing on our full line of LS Classic systems at lokar.com.